Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to brand new video. Today I will explain a few tips for using Photoshop. Let's start the video. First, let's learn how to change the color of a shirt. To do this, go to quick selection. This is a quick selection tool and select the area you want to change. Once you have selected the entire area, click on Hue Saturations to modify the color. You can find the option in the bottom right corner of Photoshop, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+U. Now let's move on the next tip. If you want to spread a picture across the entire canvas in Photoshop, follow these steps. Select the picture, go to Edit, choose the pattern and click OK. Then go to Edit again and select the Fill option. Adjust the setting according to your preferences and you will see the result. If it will appear as if picture is spread across the screen. Here another useful tips. If you want to change the face of the boy in the picture, you can use the eraser tool to select the face and want to modify. Look, use these tools to modify the picture. I have one cartoon of boy. I want to edit the face of the boy, add the face of girl on boy. Please let me know how you found the video by commenting, liking and sharing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for your more videos. Thank you so much.